Start.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am here to talk about my favorite topic, which is close to my heart, so close to my heart, really. Today is a special day for villagers, for us, because most of the villagers are farmers here, so that's why it is a celebrating day. It is a day which needs celebration. We require to celebrate this day. Celebrate this day. Why? Because today is the commencement of rainy season. What can be more peaceful? What can be more joyful than a farmer? And I am more happy. I am happier because of these trees. Show the trees. Why? Because they have been camera person. They have been dirty throughout the summer season because of the dust, because of the pollution. As a result, they got filthy up. They were looking filthy. And that's why Mother Nature thought, and I was also anticipating, I was also praying for that. Please shower rain. And Mother Nature showered rain, showered love in the rain of rain, in the name of rain. So that's why they're looking like they just took a refreshing shower. They just took a refreshing shower. They are looking vibrant, they're looking so green. What can be more beautiful than this? And that's why I'm elated, that's why I'm super happy. And since we are farmer, this is a thing we must celebrate. And we have a farming land where we planted bitter gourd, and that needed irrigation, that required our irrigation. So Mother Nature did that work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mother Nature. And one more thing I would like to say here, that if you are an English learner, if you want to talk about various topics, different topics, then this is a chance. Each and every day is a chance to talk about so many topics. Like this commencement of rainy season, the inauguration of rainy season, this happens once in a year. So you don't get a chance each and every day. So talk about different topic each and every day. And at the end of 365 days, at the end of year, you would have a you would have a storage of 365 topics. Abundance of topic you would have. And here is the most powerful thing I would like to say to you. Don't go far away. That we always underestimate what can be done in 365 days, but we just overestimate what can be done in 1 month. So focus on that long-term goal. If you focus on the long-term goal, then something will happen. You have to be patient. You have to be patient all the time. If you have a big goal, if you have a big target. So don't rely on 1 month plan, 2 month plan, rely on a long-term goal. It's a language learning journey. You have to be patient, you have to be focused, you have to put your blinkers on to become a fluent speaker. Fluency is not just a small word, it's a big word. So that's what I have got to say. And I would like to request you, all the English learners, talk about different topics. Then you will get your fluency, then you will achieve your fluency. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video. As I always say, we can speak English confidently.